about the party, it was quite an interesting party. A lot happened, a whole lot happened. They did have a fight, they had argument, people did revisit old issues and all that. Okay, let's talk about the alcohol drama. PK, Adekunle, and some of the housemates, I think White Money, were of the opinion that the housemates should not drink because they are looking to finish off their rehearsal, and Biggie had given them 4 hours. So they can finish up and return the filming equipment and all that. So they suggested and said, okay, you know what? We should not drink because they feel like some people might drink and get tipsy and might not be able to act and all that, which I understand. So Ike bought the idea, some of the housemates bought the idea, and Adekunle as well. So Ike was taking the alcohol and everything, just going to store it, give it to Adekunle to store it. New came and said no, that they should not control them and tell them what to do, that they are in Biggie's house, they're here to have fun, that idea he does not buy it at all. They should bring out the alcohol, let everyone drink. That for him, he's in charge of the DOP, the camera and all that he knows he's not going to drink too much and he's going to control himself. So let them bring out the alcohol, let the people decide that this is Biggie's house, nobody should control anybody and all that. That was how the whole alcohol drama started. They started looking for the alcohol. They had the number of alcohol that came, and they wanted to be sure that they had all of them together because they said some people ordered alcohol the past previous weeks, so they don't want a repeat of that to happen. So they gave Adekunle the alcohol. According to them, Adekunle was the one saving the alcohol, and Adekunle claimed that he has always been the one in charge of alcohol, and he always drinks less and made sure that people in the party had enough to drink, according to him.